Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Oh, true. I love those sounds. Island, be careful. Island.
No.
Hey, it could be a snake, Bobo. Come on.
What did you say? Come on, Mommy.
I'm scared. Wow, look at that tree.
Oh shoot, Island, stop. Is that a kangaroo, babe? Island.
Yeah, it is. It's a little joey.
Let me try zoom up on it.
Hi.
Hi.
Shh, 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 shh. You scared me.
What do you call it, babe?
The joey, the little kangaroo.
Oh wow, it's going.
Hi.
Could be koalas too up on the tree.
Hi.
Just be careful because snakes camouflage too. They look like the dry bark. Oh, me?
Go fall down.
Island, be careful now.
Island, slow down.
Island, slow down.
Hey, slow and wait.
Hey, slow down. Okay, bye.
Island,
Exactly. Listen. Yeah, but you have to be careful because there's snakes. Welcome guys to the Island family. We're doing a walk that maybe we shouldn't be doing because it's sort of like blocked off a little bit. Island,
hey,
stay on the track. So yeah, anyways guys, we're just going to go with it. And yeah, so welcome back to the Island family, guys. This is the adventures that we like to do. Sometimes we like to risk things, and so, you know, we're keeping an eye on Island and making sure that he's not going to run into any danger. But as you know, this is Australia. This is what can happen, really. So let's continue this walk, eh, babes?
Yeah.
Slow down, Island. What you think so far, mister?
It's good, it's peaceful, and I love it. Love
Yeah.
to be in nature.
I want to talk.
Okay, Island wants to talk here then.
Hi, Alan and Mommy, Tata. Yes, take her out.
Check it out.
Tree.
Island's got the camera, guys, so you talk to everyone. Tell them what you see.
Tree up.
Tree.
There.
Yeah, flowers.
Yes. They coming. Yeah.
Hi, guys.
My camera.
Yeah, no, it's there, Island. It's working. Give me. Here, take a drink. Walk.
Yeah, I'd have to come to get sticks there.
Really? Yeah, it'd be good.
This one, these straight ones.
Yeah, definitely. Island, slow down, please. So, we just have to be really careful where we're walking. Luckily, this is a national park, so the council makes way for, you know, look how old this tree stump probably was. Island, hang on. Just slow down, okay? Could be anything. So, you know, we decided to come out here. It's a bit of a, it's a drive away from where we live, so, but it's not too bad. But yeah, just making sure we keep an eye on our walking track and make sure that we don't get, you know, hurt or stung by anything, especially little Island.
Yeah, we'll hold it.
You want to hold it? Just, no, you just continue walking.
Okay.
Island, walk.
Hold it.
Island, listen to Mum. I said no. All right, you know what? Let's go back home. We can come to walk. We can come to walk when you're not here, which is really. See? You see? What happened now? Shake it off. Shake it off. On your clothes. Shake it on your clothes. All right. Give Mummy a hand now.
Okay.
To get the drink. Come on. Pick us up. This is steep. It gets steep down here. You want the camera? Come. Give me the drink. Come. That's why you're too fast. Slow down. See? Slippery slide. Like a root or something, no?
It's like some
Ginger?
kind of flower. Oh, it's different. But yeah, it look like some kind of flower.
Yeah. Careful, Island.
Oi.
Berries.
Oh.
I don't know if these are edible or not. I don't think they are.
Good.
Could be like a poison thing. Back in the native days, back in the Aboriginal days, if anyone knows what this is, if they use it for like poison their prey or something when they're catching it, definitely wouldn't eat it. Something.
Yeah, it's like a mini version of like the Jamaican apple. You kind of have that look.
Don't know if they get bigger than that, but
yeah.
Yep.
Don't know what it is.
If we get bitten by a snake, what are we going to do? We'll just use my waistband, my waist trainer, guys. Holds everything in together.
Yeah.
Look how amazing this grows on the trees, guys. It's like hair, like liquid dreadlocks,
Yeah.
just growing on the trees. It's amazing. Slow down, Mr. Island.
It's getting more chill down this end. The closer we're getting to the creek. Creek them call it. Typically me than just say a river.
You can go down there. Or
Yeah, it's steep down that end, eh?
is it?
Yeah, but you can hear the water down there.
Down there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Can you slow down, please?
At the go down. Mommy.
Oh, so that same truck seems like it meet up here.
Oh wow.
I'm assuming it's the same one.
Could be. Well, I think you definitely must have some good knee endurance whilst walking here. You need to have good knees. Yeah. And just your sense of stability.
It's like a whisk. There's a tree. Strong.
Mm. It's lovely. It's so tropical.
Wow. We made it to the creek, and the thing is, the further down we got, it felt more cold. Yeah, it really feels chilly now.
Wow, that tree fell down.
Yeah, with all the palm trees.
What I want to know is how do these big rocks get here? Hey?
Probably falling down.
From where?
I don't know. It's pure hillside.
What do you want to swim?
This is too cold for you. Swim. No, sir.
Red gold. It was the lure of red gold that first brought white men to explore the rainforests upstream. In 1886, the cedar getters began to cart red cedar. Oh, red seed. Yeah, red seed logs. Trees are actually really good. And from the plateau down to the Richmond River and then float them to the river mouth for shipment. The final descent to Sheep Station Creek was too steep and tight a turn to bring the loaded wagons around. The logs were unloaded on the hill, the empty wagons brought down on the logs reloaded using this rock as a ramp. It says something. On it. It says something on it. Interesting. Wow. I don't know if we should go further, guys. What do you reckon? Look how pretty this tree is.
Yeah.
Wow. My God.
It's crazy how up there is sunny and bright.
And
Down here it's like
cold.
you think it's night coming down.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like it's night coming down.
Yeah. It's like winter down here and up there is summer. I swear.
Wow. I don't know, maybe we can just walk up to that little tree up there.
Yeah, we'll go a bit further and see.
Because I think I need to go to the toilet too.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's like I want to vomit.
Island
There's the
stop.
island. Looks deep, no?
Yeah. Very dark though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll swim in that.
Nah. And especially this cold temperature. There's some little things on the top of the water down there.
Frogs?
I have no
Baby
idea.
frogs?
Nah, I doubt it. They would be inside, but there's some little things there that just floating on top.
Go have a look up there a bit further.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. It's like a waterfall. Whew. Yep, gotta walk up those hills. Careful. I love you, son. Hey. Whew. What a workout. There's a waterfall down there.
Let's go. Oh, the other side?
Yeah. Raindrops are falling on my, raindrops are falling on my head. Raindrops are falling on. Raindrops are falling on my. Raindrops are falling on my window. Baby, come down. Come down.
Come down. Come down.
Come down.
Come down.
Go kiss everybody hello. I love you, son. We love this boy. Love you?
Yeah.
Did you just fart?
Oi.
Whew. It's
Up for
hot.
it.
Yeah. Sweating. Let's go. Let's go. Because my bum is getting sore on this log.
Good boy. Hold your bottle.
Alright, we're almost there. Come on, Bob. Guanas. Oh, goannas.
Hey.
Wow.
Let me see.
I think what you mentioned, they were bigger.
Oh, the dragon Komodo, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, guys, this is. Remember that time I run from the one.
No, that was different to that one.
This one is different? Yeah. Okay.
This one seems to be a bit more friendly. Oh, really?
It's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, eat. It's at this beautiful Border Rangers National Park.
Yeah.
And it's really, really nice here.
Yes.
And do you want cake? Alright, give it over here. So we just got a few snacks, but we were actually supposed to have a barbecue, but we didn't buy any wood or coal. So, yeah, but it's beautiful.
It's nice here. Planning to camp here. Probably when it gets back to summer.
Winter.
Winter? Wouldn't that be cold in winter?
It would be cold, but we're going to be warm anyway.
Yeah.
We'll make sure we get warm.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
Yeah. So,
and the fun fact is that you've been here before.
When Island was very little, like he was like a newborn baby, basically.
Yeah. Babe did a vlog here. Was that vlog on your channel?
I don't think I did a vlog.
He didn't? I could have sworn he did a vlog.
Mother's Day vlog? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we just got some little snacks, cakes, red velvet cake.
Yeah.
I'm not a real big fan of it, babies. Honey roasted cashew nuts. And some oranges that Island has. But that walk was great.
Yeah.
But I will tell you, if you're unfit, I'm not the fittest of fit. It's it's good for people that like can handle the walk.
Yeah. Good workout, man.
Good workout. We sweated it out.
For real.
Definitely. Now we're putting it all back on.
This park is nice though. It's peaceful. No vehicle around other than when people pull up. So it's really good, guys. Yeah.
It's a nice park. We're coming back for camping.
Yeah, man.
So stay tuned to that for those.
Yeah. So the video ends here.
Yep.
Give thanks for watching.
Give thanks.
And hope you enjoy.
The channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourselves.
Yeah, man.
Peace.
Any last word, Bubba? What do you want to say?
Daisy.
Okay. Say bye.
Picnic.
Bye.
We're having a picnic. Picnic.
Okay. Halloween.
Peace out.
You guys wouldn't believe what just happened. We all had to jump up on the table here.
Careful, Dad's glasses.
The goanna see.
Island was throwing stuff at it and it chased us. So we were all on top of the table.
They were all laughing. It chased at us.
I gave it like some topping off the velvet cake and likes that. Oh gosh, it's diabetic.